Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Nokia NanoMax 2025 Triple 200MP cameras. And a 7500 mAh. What's up, welcome back, where we spill the beans on all the hottest gadgets. And today, we've got a phone that's so packed, it might just need its own zip code. I'm talking about the legendary, the mythical, the finally revealed Nokia NanoMax 2025. Yes, after months of leaks, rumors, and me personally sending carrier pigeons to HMD Global, it's finally here. And let me tell you, this thing is a beast. On the screen we're getting a 6.8-inch AMOLED display. That's practically a mini TV in your pocket. And with a 21:9 aspect ratio, you can watch movies in glorious widescreen. Just don't try to watch a movie while walking, unless you want to become a viral face planting into a fountain meme. And it's protected by Gorilla Glass 5, so you can drop it maybe. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it, but you know, accidents happen. Like when you try to make toast and accidentally set off the smoke alarm. Been there, done that. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. The cameras. Are you ready for this? Triple 200MP cameras. Yes, you heard that right, 200MP. 3 times. That's like having 3 professional photographers living inside your phone. You'll be able to see the individual pores on a mosquito's nose. You'll be able to photograph a squirrel's existential crisis in stunning detail. Plus, a 50MP ultra-wide and a 5MP depth sensor for those artsy bokeh shots. And for selfies, a 60MP front camera. You'll be so clear, you'll be able to see your own soul. Or at least that weird zit that always pops up at the worst time. Now, let's talk power. This bad boy is packing a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. That's like having a supercomputer in your hand. And with up to 16GB of RAM, you can run all your apps at once without breaking a sweat. You can even play Crysis. Wait, can anyone actually run Crysis smoothly? And the battery. Oh, the battery. A massive 7500 mAh. That's enough to power a small village, or at least enough to binge watch your favorite show for a week straight. And with 120W fast charging, you can go from 0 to hero in no time. Plus, 20W wireless charging for those lazy days. Now let's talk price. Apparently this beast is going to set you back around $220. Hold on, is that a typo? $220. For this, are you kidding me? That's like getting a Ferrari for the price of a used bicycle. Okay, maybe that's a mistake. We'll have to double check that. But even if it's a bit more, this phone is still a steal. So, what do you guys think? Are you excited for the Nokia NanoMax 2025? Let me know in the comments below. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. One, peace out.